Dressed, packed, and ready to go, leaving Paradise Pier with way more bags than I came with, but we are on our way out and headed to Hollywood. Just arrived at our hotel in Hollywood, the Boulevard Hotel and Spa. We have all our suitcases right there that we had to unload ourselves. About 58 pounds that we were tossing around in and out of this dude's SUV while he sat there and did nothing. So rude. And my arms are a little bit sore from that deep tissue yesterday. I cannot be loading around my souvenirs by myself. On the Universal tram, going to the City Walk. This is for people who don't want to walk up this giant hill. True. Me.
The Universal City Showsets. For your safety, please. Los Angeles County Sheriff's Association is located on 123 Bay.
The next day, and I'm feeling like a new woman after going to bed at 7 p.m. yesterday, thanks to my NyQuil. We are up today, all dressed and ready to go to Warner Brothers. I'm finally getting a chance to wear my Taz shirt that I've had for like 2 years, just waiting for this occasion. Taz on the front, Taz on the back. Unfortunately, it's a little bit rainy right now, but hopefully it's going to pass. Warner Brothers is only open until 3:30, so we're about to get the show on the road now that it's like 9:30. Give us a good full day there. Starbucks with a view this morning. Question of the day, is this Barbara Streisand or our favorite clown, Mr. Ronald McDonald?
Come to the front and wait for me to begin your tour. Thank you.
Standing on the back line. This is where the magic happens.
Batman, Wonder Woman, The Big Bang Theory, and Friends. All filmed here.
Gang, this is a non-smoking lot, so please do not smoke or vape anytime while out on tour. This is a photo-friendly lot.
Series Pretty Little Liars. You'll see Midwest Street on a lot of television shows.
2019 Los Angeles for the 1982 neo-noir science fiction thriller. But they're usually here for shorter periods of time. Add to the set the mural, the words will are at the public school, the gardens, the flagpole, the mailbox. Prior to Wonder Woman, all stunts were performed by men. Even if the character performing the set was meant to be a female character, it was a man dressed up.
Serving the director and serving the story.
Johnny Depp playing a barber who was constantly cutting people's throats. So I had blood.
And actors can get in, work, and have fun. Because in the end, that's the blueprint for in the art department. Each production designer is different from My Fair Lady. Basically, you're
and finding their point of view.
With all these costumes. Out in the sun.
I like that scene.
This tour is so cool. We've seen so many props, so many movie sets, learned so many cool movie facts.
This is Dr. Sheldon Cooper.
Sit down at your little fourth perspective table.
Oh, that's what it's... It's not supposed to be from that.
No. Mom's real big and I'm real tiny. Oh, it's over there. Yeah, Mom's supposed to be real big, I'm real small. Look at the camera, it's right. It's from Lord of the Rings. There's the ring. just for the occasion. Drinking my Central Perk in the friend's kitchen. Wow. You're now entering the wizarding world of Harry Potter.
There's nothing hidden in your head the Sorting Hat can't see. So try me on and I will tell you where you ought to be. Conscientious and hard-working. A great thing to be. Hufflepuff is the home for you. Honorable to the core. A head like yours is a joy to see. Hufflepuff! You have another name for the best.
Cheers. Feeling like Harry Potter. cartoons when they're just floating along to a smell. They've already been touching the ground, so levitating along like horizontally. Me right now as we're going to Roadside Taco.
Doom, 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 doom.